The world of freelancing has never been more exciting. With the power of artificial intelligence, freelancers today can automate tedious tasks, boost efficiency, and ultimately make more money while working less. But most freelancers are still doing things the hard way, manually handling outreach, struggling with time-consuming edits, and wasting hours on administrative work. Imagine a world where you wake up and half of your workload is already done. Emails sent, projects organized, content drafted, invoices ready to go. That's not science fiction, that's AI working for you. If you're a freelancer looking to scale your income and reclaim your time, AI is your secret weapon. In this video, we'll explore how AI can help you find more clients, optimize your workflow, and even create multiple income streams. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use automation to earn more while working smarter, the freelancer's biggest challenge. Freelancing offers freedom, but it comes with challenges: irregular income, inconsistent clients, and overwhelming workloads. Many freelancers hit a ceiling where they can't earn more without working longer hours. That's where AI changes everything. Instead of working harder, AI allows you to work more efficiently. Let's break down the key areas where AI can help. 1. Finding clients and automating outreach. Landing clients is the lifeblood of freelancing. But sending proposals, cold emails, and follow-ups can take hours. AI tools can handle this for you. AI-powered prospecting. Instead of manually searching for job postings, AI tools like Apollo, Lemlist, or Hunter.io can scan the internet and send automated messages to potential clients. These tools analyze job boards, social media, and even company websites to find leads that match your services. Automated outreach and follow-ups. Crafting personalized emails can take ages, but AI tools like ChatGapt, Jasper, or Copy.ai can generate high-converting outreach messages in seconds. Combine this with email automation platforms like Mailshake or Woodpecker, and you have a system that continuously pitches your services on autopilot. Imagine sending 50 high-quality pitches daily without lifting a finger. AI does that. Smart networking with AI. LinkedIn AI assistants like Taplio or Authordup can automatically engage with posts, send connection requests, and generate engaging comments, making networking effortless. 2. Automating content creation and editing. Whether you're a writer, designer, or video editor, AI can drastically cut down the time spent on content creation, writing, and blogging with AI. AI tools like ChatGapt, Copy.ai, and WriteSonic can generate entire blog posts, emails, or social media captions in minutes. If you're a content writer, these tools can help you scale your output without burnout. Need SEO-friendly content? AI tools like Surfer SEO or Phrase analyze keywords and optimize content for search engines automatically.